Welcome back to my YouTube channel, you guys. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing y'all another banger video. So today we actually have a ceramic coating job on this beautiful 2020 SL550 Mercedes Benz. So we're gonna go ahead and transform this car, make it look nice and shiny for the client. You guys saw some before shots there of me trying to get some B-roll action for y'all. The painting actually is not that bad, honestly. So we're probably just doing one step and then just quickly ceramic coat the car. We're also going to do engine detail and then do the interior as well for the client. So yeah, got a pretty busy day ahead of us here. I actually came in my car, y'all see it. But yeah, so we actually at Tony's house, Tony's garage. He's going to be certifying me as well for System X. So I'll show you guys and I'll tell you guys more about that later on in the video. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we need to do is prep the vehicle and fully and completely dry it so that we are polishing and buffing the car out. There's no water and stuff slinging everywhere. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in a second. Let's go. All right, YouTube, so you guys just saw the spray. Well, we actually washed the car, did the wheels and stuff like that, but we actually went ahead and sprayed our iron remover here by G-Technic. It's an iron and general remover or fallout remover right here. Now this is Tony's product here, but I'm pretty sure you can find any iron remover out there. This is just what we're using for this car here. So we only sprayed it on the lower portions because the car seems to already have some type of ceramic or some type of protection on it. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray it on the lower portions, and then we're just gonna let that sit 2 to 5 minutes, rinse it off, and that's going to prevent any rust buildup or anything like that. All that decontamination stuff is going to come right off, so the car is going to feel, look, and feel, I don't know if I said feel, is going to feel brand new for us. So if you actually notice, we didn't clay bar the car, right? Car doesn't need clay bar. We're not clay barring it, so we just went ahead and opted out for this option here. So gonna go ahead and rinse it off because it's been sitting for a while now, and then we'll go ahead and dry it up and bring it inside the shop. Now we're gonna go ahead and dry it up with our air blower, towels, literally everything we're gonna throw at it is gonna be to completely and entirely leave the car dry. We don't want the car any type of water drips or anything like that on the car, so we're gonna go ahead and try our best to damn near 100% dry it off. So let's go ahead and knock that out. That's what we like. YouTube, so Tony just did a test spot, and we have decided to go ahead and use this. I can't pronounce this, but you guys will see it. So it's Kemi right here, and and we're gonna use this orange pad here. Where's this pad from? Is this Chemical Guys?
Lake Country.
Lake Country. So we got the Lake Country pad here, orange pad, and then we have the Flex. This is very new. You just bought this, right?
Yeah. You
just bought this cordless polisher here. So we're gonna go ahead and start with polishing, and we're gonna use this chemical here. So there's a lot of water spots on the hood that need to get taken care of. So Tony will be going ahead and doing that while I work around the rest of the vehicle, and then we'll be touching up any, you know, deeper scratches or anything like that on a different pad and chemical if need be. So let's go ahead and knock this out. We're gonna go ahead and do some B-roll shots. Not too much talking. Just gonna go ahead and do a lot of working. So catch you guys once we finish the process, and then we'll show you guys kind of like the after results. All right, YouTube, so we just finished the paint correction, paint enhancement part of the detailing, well, not the detailing, of the ceramic coating. So you guys can see it's looking nice and shiny, nice and clean, swirl free. And now we're gonna go ahead and do our IPA wipe down here. Is that Car Pro?
Car Pro.
So we're gonna do the IPA Car Pro wipe down here. So we're gonna remove all that residue that we, left on the vehicle and leave it basically ready for application of the ceramic coating. So you guys are seeing here, Tony is gonna go ahead and wipe it off. This car's looking very nice though, looking very clean. We had to do a few passes, at least a lot more than what we anticipated on the hood here. But that's, pretty common, especially with black vehicles. The hood is always bad, and then the roof up there is usually bad. But being that this is a convertible, that's all glass. So yeah, gonna go ahead and join Tony here, and then we'll go ahead and show you guys the ceramic coating application.
Raider.
All right, you guys, so we just wrapped up the ceramic coating job on this Mercedes SL550. So now you can obviously see this thing is shining. I mean, it's looking very incredible. Me and Tony did an amazing job on this car, and we had fun, made some good content, made some good money. So Tony's gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick little overview of the car. And yeah, I mean, there's not much to say besides hustle never settle. You know, keep watching these videos, keep watching the content that we're gonna keep creating for you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go. Nice.